Welcome back everyone. I've got a great and exciting recipe to show you today. This one's perfect for entertaining when you're asked to bring something. I'm going to show you how to make a roasted beetroot with homemade dripped yogurt and feta dip. First up, you need to take some homemade yogurt, 1.5 cups, and drip it through some muslin or cheesecloth for around 2 hours. That's going to help remove some of the whey and give you a really nice thick and creamy Luvele style dripped yogurt. Then you can get on to roasting some beetroot. Preheat the oven to 200 degrees Celsius and then chop up 3 medium beetroots into around 2 centimeter to inch size pieces. Place the beetroot and 2 cloves of minced garlic onto a lined tray and season with salt and pepper. Drizzle with olive oil and then toss to combine. Roast the beetroot in the oven for around 25 minutes and then allow it to cool down completely. While that's roasting, combine the dripped homemade yogurt and 120 grams of crumbled feta in a bowl. Mix together with a spatula and then add a tablespoon of lemon juice and 1 minced garlic clove. Give it another mix and then spread the yogurt and feta dip into a shallow bowl. To finish off, pile the roasted beetroot over the top of the yogurt and feta dip and then sprinkle with chopped pistachios and fresh dill sprigs. Just before serving, drizzle with some extra olive oil and some honey. So there you go, that's a really vibrant and tasty side dish for you to serve alongside a main meal, or just simply serve it with some warm Lebanese bread. This is a great way to use up your homemade yogurt and a great way to make sure you get those probiotics into your everyday meals. Give this one a try for yourself and let us know what you think in the comment section below. As always, if you haven't already, then hit subscribe to see more of our Luvele life recipes. If you enjoyed this one today, then give it a like for us and we'll be back really soon with another fresh recipe.